Intro sequence with dynamic shots of various Bugatti models. Chiron, Devo. Historical models like the Type 35. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a name that is synonymous with ultimate performance, unparalleled luxury, and automotive art. Bugatti, this isn't just a car company. It's a legend, forged in the crucible of early motorsport, and reborn as the undisputed king of hype. So, buckle up, because we're about to take a high-speed journey through the incredible story of Bugatti. The saga begins with one man, Ettore Bugatti, born in Milan, Italy, in 1881. Ettore was an artist and an inventor, not just a car builder. He established his company in 1909 in Molsheim, a town in the then German Alsace region. From the very beginning, Bugattis were different. Ettore's philosophy was simple yet profound. If it is comparable, it is no longer Bugatti. This wasn't just a marketing slogan, it was a promise. His cars were masterpieces of engineering, designed with an artist's eye for form and a racer's demand for performance. The early years were dominated by motorsport success. The legendary Bugatti Type 35, for instance, is one of the most successful racing cars of all time. It's said to have won over 1,000 races in its day, including the Targa Florio 5 years in a row. Its iconic horseshoe grille and lightweight construction made it a formidable force on the track. But Bugatti wasn't just about racing. They also built some of the most opulent and sought-after road cars in the world, like the magnificent Type 41 Royale. It was an enormous car, designed for royalty, and only a handful were ever made. Each one was a testament to Ettore's vision of automotive perfection. Sadly, the golden era couldn't last forever. The tragic death of Ettore's son, Jean Bugatti, in 1939, followed by the devastation of World War II, dealt a heavy blow to the company. Ettore himself passed away in 1947, and without its visionary leader, the original Bugatti company faded into history, ceasing operations in the 1950s. For decades, the legendary name lay dormant, a beautiful memory in the annals of automotive history. But legends have a way of being reborn. The first revival came in the late 1980s with the Italian entrepreneur Romano Arti. He built a state-of-the-art factory in Campo Galliano, Italy. And in 1991, on what would have been Ettore Bugatti's 110th birthday, he unveiled the Bugatti EB 110. This car was a technological marvel for its time, with a V12 engine for turbochargers and all-wheel drive. It was a supercar that re-established Bugatti at the pinnacle of performance. It was a bold statement that the name Bugatti still meant something extraordinary. Despite the critical acclaim of the EB 1010, the company faced financial difficulties and closed its doors once again in 1995. It seemed like the dream was over. But then, in 1998, the Volkswagen Group stepped in. They understood the power and prestige of the Bugatti name and had the resources to do something truly unprecedented. They acquired the brand and brought it back to its original home in Molsheim, France. Their goal, to create a car that would push the boundaries of what was thought possible. This brings us to the modern era, and the car that redefined the word hypercar, the Bugatti Veyron. When it was launched in 2005, the Veyron was a shock to the system. The numbers were simply staggering. An 8.0-liter quadturbocharged W16 engine producing over 1,000 horsepower. Its primary mission was to be the fastest production road car in the world, a goal it achieved by breaking the 400-kilometer-per-hour barrier, or 250 miles per hour. The Veyron wasn't just fast. It was an engineering marvel. The cooling system required to keep that massive engine from overheating was more complex than on many race cars. The brakes, the tires, the aerodynamics, everything had to be engineered to a standard that had never been seen before in a road car. It was, and still is, a masterpiece of technical achievement. But how do you follow up an icon? How do you improve on perfection? For Bugatti, the answer was the Chiron. Unveiled in 2016, the Chiron took the Veyron's formula and turned it up to 11... or maybe 15. Power was increased to a mind-bending 1,500 horsepower. The design was more aggressive, more sculpted yet still unmistakably Bugatti. It was faster, more powerful, and somehow even more luxurious. The Chiron wasn't just a successor, it was an evolution. It proved that Bugatti's relentless pursuit of perfection was far from over. The Chiron Supersport 300 became the first production car to break the mythical 300-mile-per-hour barrier, cementing Bugatti's place as the king of speed. But Bugatti's modern story isn't just about top speed. The brand has expanded its portfolio with a series of highly exclusive, limited edition models that showcase different facets of its identity. Take the Devo, for example. It's based on the Chiron but is focused on agility and cornering performance. It's a hypercar built for the twists and turns of a challenging road. Then there's the Centodieci, a tribute to the legendary EB 110, blending modern technology with design cues from its 90s predecessor. And we can't forget the one-off masterpiece, La Boiter Norden. This car, which translates to the Black Car, is a modern interpretation of Jean Bugatti's lost Type 57 SC Atlantic. It's a rolling piece of art, a testament to Bugatti's heritage and its commitment to creating unique, bespoke automobiles. Each of these cars is built in the Molsheim Atelier, which is more like a pristine laboratory than a traditional car factory. Here, a small team of highly skilled technicians assembles each car by hand. The level of precision and attention to detail is astonishing. Customers can customize nearly every aspect of their vehicle, choosing from an endless array of colors, materials, and finishes. This isn't mass production. This is automotive haute couture. It's a process that honors Ettore Bugatti's original vision of creating personal, perfect machines for discerning clients. So, what makes a Bugatti so special? It's more than just the speed or the price tag. It's the history, that unbroken line of excellence that stretches back over a century. It's the uncompromising engineering, the relentless pursuit of pushing boundaries, and it's the artistry, the belief that a car can be both a high-performance machine and a beautiful object. When you buy a Bugatti, you're not just buying a car, you're buying a piece of that legend. From the racetracks of the 1920s to the 300-mile-per-hour hypercars of today, the story of Bugatti is a story of passion, innovation, and resilience. It's a brand that has died and been reborn, each time coming back stronger and more ambitious than before. It continues to define the very pinnacle of the automotive world, staying true to Ettore's original motto. If it is comparable, it is no longer Bugatti. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey through the world of Bugatti. What's your favorite Bugatti model of all time? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more deep dives into the greatest names in automotive history, please hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.